Hey, 3 really simple, quick tips to help you win your medical malpractice case. Number 1, social media is a big problem in medical malpractice cases. We've had cases where the insurance company is going to scour through all of your social media and they're going to look for stuff that they can use against your case. For example, we had one client who on social media actually was pointing a gun into her mouth. Crazy stuff. We had one client, believe it or not, who was soliciting her services as a woman of the night on social media. I mean, crazy stuff that may have nothing to do with the lawsuit, but the insurance industry is going to scour your social media to find dirt that they can use against you. So advice number 1, use all of the privacy settings for your social media. Make it so it's not public, because if you don't, the insurance companies are going to find everything that they can to try to hurt your case. Tip number 2, in a medical malpractice case, the thing that's going to hold up your case more than anything else is the lack of medical records. So it's really important for you to list every doctor, hospital, therapist, pharmacy, you name it, that you've treated with in the past 10 years. Why? Because the thing that's going to delay your case more than anything else is the defense attorney will say, we don't have a complete set of medical records. That's what their defense is. That's what they use to delay the case. So get that list of every doctor, therapist, dates of treatment. If you have addresses, get that to your attorney, because that is critically important. Tip number 3, it's really important to file a complaint with the New York State Department of Health against the doctor or the hospital who provided the bad care. But why? Because in some cases, the Department of Health will investigate. And if they make an investigation, they might issue a written report of findings of substandard medical care that you received. Those findings of neglect may be admissible in evidence in your case. So it's really important, because if you have a government agency that has made findings of neglect against a doctor or a hospital, that's huge and it's extremely powerful. And actually, we've used that type of evidence in court to shut down departments of a hospital. And so it's extremely powerful. Findings of the Department of Health can be very helpful, but that's not going to happen unless you file a complaint online on the website with the New York State Department of Health. So those are my 3 quick and easy tips. I'm going to give you one bonus piece to this whole thing. Remember, you are the principal, your attorney is the agent. What does that mean? That means you make all the important decisions. Your attorney simply gives you advice and guidance. You have the right to fire your attorney at any time. That little piece of paper that's called the retainer agreement, you're not bound to stay with the attorney. You can fire the attorney even at the trial at any time. So never think that simply because you signed the retainer agreement that you're bound to stick with your attorney. You're not. You can fire them whenever you want for any reason at all. Those are my tips. Good luck.